In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Facebook comments to Webflow. If you're looking to engage your visitors and foster community discussions directly on your Webflow site, integrating Facebook comments can be a great way to achieve this. Let's dive right in and walk you through the entire process, making it as simple and clear as possible. Start by heading over to the official Facebook Comments plugin generator, which you can find in the Meta Developers tools. You can also opt for third-party services like ElfSite if you prefer an alternative approach. Regardless of which tool you choose, the first step is to enter the URL of the page where you'd like the comments to appear. Simply paste your page's URL into the designated field. This is a crucial step as it tells the tool exactly where you want to enable the comments feature. Once you've entered the URL, go ahead and generate the code. This code is what links Facebook's commenting system to your specific page, allowing it to function properly once everything's set up. It's important to ensure that your URL is accurate so that the comments appear in the right location on your site. With your code generated, it's time to copy those Facebook comments code snippets. Now we're going to transition over to Webflow. In Webflow Designer, navigate to the page where you want the comments to appear. This can be any page of your choice, like a blog post or a product page. Once you're on the desired page in your design, look for the embed element. This tool allows you to incorporate third-party widgets like our Facebook comments. Drag this embed element onto your page and release it in the spot where you want the comments to appear. Now with the embed element in place, it's time to paste in the Facebook comments code that you copied earlier. You simply click on the embed element and paste your code right there. Hit save and your Facebook comments section is now part of your page's design. Before we wrap up, there's one last critical step: publishing your site. This is essential because script-based widgets, including Facebook comments, typically work only on published pages, not in the designer preview. So go ahead and publish your site. Once your site is live, navigate to the page where you added the comments to test the section yourself. See how the comments section looks and make any necessary adjustments back in the Webflow Designer if anything appears out of place or not quite to your liking. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to add Facebook comments to your Webflow site, enabling you to enhance user interaction and foster vibrant community discussions. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.